Good morning, everybody. This is another daily analysis, August 11th by Gold Fanatic FX. I'm doing a live stream because price is already moving, so I want to go over this fairly quickly. So I did take a buy here. I closed it out only because I'm not confident with it. There's a lot of things telling me that price will move bearish. We do have CPI today. We want to be extremely careful. There may not be a huge reaction, but if there's a huge change in this number higher, which would indicate higher inflation, gold could have an extremely bullish move. But we want to be extremely careful because usually with high impact news events, there's not a lot of volume going on. So I'm going to go into why I don't trust this buy. Let's first start with the analysis. So we got a rectangle. So this is clearly a very, very strong resistance over here, even respected to the left over here. So I'm going to mark this up. This is at, let's see. This is at 1738. And then we have, if we're looking for sells, I would look for sells over here around 1730, 1729. All right, there we go. So 1729 point around 75, I would be looking for sells, and I would look for it to target 1726. Let me move this so you can see it. 1726. There we go. So that's our sell scenario. In between here, I don't think I'd be too concerned. Before CPI, I might do buy stops and sell stops to catch the volatile move, but I like to stay a little risk free. I don't like to do that type of stuff. Anyways, I want to show you what's going on over here. Right here, this is my indicator. We have the daily high of the previous day. So you can see right here, this high over here, and this resistance that's been respected. So as price is moving up, I do expect it to reach around here. What price is this? 1740.25. I do expect price to reach around there. The only reason I'm not comfortable is because we have a high impact news event, so there's probably low volume. We are breaking the previous daily high. I expect there to be a sweep and a reversal to continue bearish. And if we look at the 1 hour, this is a strong resistance. It was respected on the 1 hour over here. It was respected over here. And now we might even have it respected here. It is looking very bullish. So a buy would have worked out, but it's okay if I missed a trade because I'm not confident with it. I will show you my thing here. So I did take two trades. One was a sell, which was very stupid. I closed it out very early and managed risk. So here, where I would have been risking $125, I managed risk to only lose less than 1% of my risk. So for today, I still have one trade I can take, but I'm going to be very careful with that trade I take. So I did take the buy, but I closed it out. So even on the 1 hour, this is looking very bullish. If it breaks this candle's high over here, it could continue up here. But just because my bias is bearish, I don't want to jump into anything. So I'm just going to wait patiently and we'll see. So we're looking for sells below 1729.5 and buys above 1738, which I'm going to be extra careful about. If we do have a minor support formed up here, let me show you what I'm talking about. So for example, here we had a candle close bullish, we had a candle close bearish, and then bullish. So that means over here we had a support formed, and over here we had a resistance formed, right? So if we have this happen on the higher time frame, so the 30-minute or the 1 hour at a key zone like over here or over here, and we break that support at a high volume time, I will look for sells there. So I know I say I'm looking for sells below 1729.75, but if we get that type of price action and we break that support on the higher time frame, I will look for sells to continue down, because if we go to the 30-minute time frame, we do have clean candles to continue down. So if you look at the 30-minute, we do have these clean candles to continue down. And we're also looking for volume for this to happen. Also, the reason I did close this trade, because it's before any high volume times, like it's pre-New York. So if I would probably take this trade around 8 a.m. to get like a surge of volume to push price up, but since I took this trade around 7:25, 7:30, it's still exactly where I took the trade. Like there's no movement up. It's just going up and down, and I don't like that. I like to see strong price movements, and that comes in with volume. So that's exactly what I'm waiting for. So you can see that price did create a support over here, and this candle wicked down and then continued up to break this candle's high. So that's exactly what I like to see. It's exactly what I would be looking for. If there's any other day, I probably would have took this trade and kept it, but I don't want to take that risk with CPI coming out and this being a previous day's low and this being a resistance. I do expect price to move bearish, but I can never be fully sure. That's just my bias. So we'll see what happens, especially with CPI. Yeah. Also keep in mind 1738 is also an order block on the 1 hour time frame. So we are seeing rejections. Even if this breaks through, we may get a nice clean move up. I'm just not prepared for that yet. And I think that's it for the daily analysis. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe and like and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. I am growing fairly quickly, and I do want to be more consistent and give you guys more content. I am working on the course. It's going to be completely free. I don't want to charge anybody for anything. I want to show people that this industry isn't full of fake gurus. There are people that know how to trade, that want to teach and provide value. That's all I really want to do. So thanks for tuning in.